Okay, in this video I'm gonna do forward propagation. I kinda explained it in the first few videos. So, forward propagation, and I'm just gonna, I'm gonna say, so I'm gonna say Z1, and I'm gonna make a capital. Z1 is equal to numpy, the dot product of our W parameter by our x's, and that plus b. Okay, b, and z2 is going to equal to, and then a1 is going to equal to whatever we want to do. So I'm going to do tan-h, so I'm going to do numpy dot tan-h, and I'm going to do z1, and then we'll say z2 is going to equal to the dot product of our, and actually, sorry, there should be w1. So W2 transpose. I honestly don't know if we take the transpose, but just keep it W2 by now. So it's going to be W2 by our A1, and we're going to add that with B. Okay, I have no idea why it's doing break. And so Y prediction A2 is going to equal to, it's going to equal to sigmoid. So it's going to be, just for example, in this case, we're doing sigmoid, right? So A2 is going to equal to 1 over 1 plus numpy exponent of the negative Z2. And this is our prediction. And I'm going to put W and B here, so it stops giving errors. W1, B1, and these should be number 2, sorry. W2 and B2, and obviously our x's. So this is going to be our forward propagation phase, and this is our prediction. So, and if you remember, this is hidden layer activation function, right? And our prediction, we can do whatever. Here we're doing sigmoid, right? And here we can do, could have done ReLU or leaky ReLU, whatever, right? And I'm just gonna say cache is equal to z1, and I hope it does it for me. Okay, it's not doing it for me. Great. So we gotta do it individually. That's fun. So A1, and sorry if I miss anything. It's like 2 a.m. So, but Z2 is gonna be Z2, and A2, which remember is our prediction. It's very important. A2, A2, and I'm just gonna go ahead and return my cache. And really quickly, I'm just gonna check something, make sure everything is right. Okay, I think everything's fine. So W transpose X plus B, the tan-H, so hidden layer activation function, and W2 times our A1s, and A2 is equal to this sigmoid. Yeah, okay, this should be fine. So also, from now on, I'm gonna start doing the neural network model early, so we don't have to do it all the way in the end. And yeah, so I'm gonna say train X, similar to the last video, or it's not the last video, but You know what I mean if you watch my logistic regression videos. And I'm gonna work with complex data obviously later in this playlist. I just want to show that it works first. So I'm doing something super basic. And train y is gonna equal to numpy array. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, I'm assuming that's 15. Alright, whatever. If it's not, we'll fix it. And I'm going to say params is equal to, and that takes nh. So I'm just going to say 5, for instance. I forgot to call initialize parameters. And I'm going to pass in nh is equal to 5. And actually, I'm just going to do 4. So 4 hidden, or 4 neurons in first hidden layer. And we only have 1 hidden layer, but you get the case, or you get the point. So we're going to have 4 hidden, we're going to have 4 neurons in our hidden layer. And it takes nx as an argument, which is our x shape. So train x dot shape, and we're going to pass in 0. And I have no idea why I'm getting an error. Maybe it's okay, yeah. And then I'm going to pass in train y shape. And I hope this kind of makes sense why we're doing ny here. I hope so, at least. I'm not sure if it makes sense. But so params is equal to that, and then I'm gonna use iterations argument here, and because we're gonna be constantly forward propagating, so I'm gonna say for I in range iterations, and I'm gonna do forward propagation. So forward prop is equal to forward propagation, and it takes w1 arguments, right? And actually, I'm just gonna go ahead and return this here, so I don't have to mess with a lot of things. Just make it easier for us. Okay. What the fuck am I doing? So W2, kind of out of order, but doesn't really matter. Jesus. Okay. And B2. And I'm gonna indent this to make it look better. And let's see. So forward prop takes these as arguments. I'm just gonna copy paste it down here. So W1, we're just gonna say params W1. And I'm gonna say oh wait, what am I doing? Oh yeah, okay. So and then if it's not right, I'll fix it, but you get the point. I don't know why these are capitalized. These should be lowercase. I'm gonna make these lowercase. And honestly, I don't think we have to return these, so I'm just gonna delete those. If we do, I'll fix it up. B1, and it takes W2. So this is getting kind of long. I apologize if my code is messy, but yeah. W2, yep. And then params B2, and it takes x as an argument, so I'm going to pass in train x regularly. And I'm going to break this up down here. Okay, I think this should be fine. W1 transpose. Shapes 1, 4, and 115. Not aligned. Okay. I think we have to take the transpose of x. Oh, wait, I messed something up. W. Wait a minute, maybe. Okay. So let me say. I have no idea why I tried to check the transpose of x right there. That was stupid, but you get the point. That was pretty dumb. None. Okay, wow. So maybe. Okay. I hope that is correct. I'm really not sure. But again, if there is errors, I will fix it. It's really late though. Okay, how do I stop this from recording?